So guys, I welcome you after the discussion break. Okay, so guys, please start executing the code. Okay, don't wait for me. Okay, so guys, we are seeing today the Hugging Face. All the pre-trained models are available in Hugging Face. Okay, which you can use. Okay, so guys, today we are seeing about the Hugging Face. Okay, so all the models in the Hugging Face we are having, and each model is designed to do a specific task. Okay, so guys, model can be provided by the Facebook. Okay, so model can be from Google. Okay, so guys, you need to check out the companies. Okay, so you have to explore little bit. Okay, so guys, we started today with the Hugging Face. Okay, so guys, if you want to know any model, okay, so what you can do, you can just visit to this okay website. You can search for any model, like I want to search for GPT. Okay, so I can read about this model, how many downloads every month. So see how much Hugging Face is popular. Okay, so that is the importance, guys, of this Hugging Face. Provides a pre-trained model. Now how to use it? Click on this. Okay, so click on transformer. So these are the guys, the codes which you can copy paste. Like if you want to text generation, you can use this. Okay, like pipeline version, or you can directly load the model, but it may take some time, guys. Okay, so it all depends on the size of the model. Some models size are big, so how much parameters it is trained? 137 million parameters it is trained. Okay, so guys, you can see okay how popular the Hugging Face is, how much people are using it. If you click on text generation, okay, so you can see how many lot of models. Okay, so not just the text generation, guys, but if you want to do some other task, okay, then also you have different types of models. Okay, so you click on this model. Okay, so like go to audio, what I show you, image classification. Okay, so click on this computer vision task you want to do. Okay, so Microsoft provide this ResNet 50. Okay, we know that. Okay, so guys, we know many things now. So ResNet 50 is the model. Okay, how much download per month? Okay, you can see huge number. Okay, that means people are using this, guys. Okay, so click on this, click on transformer. This is the two-line code. Okay, so what you want to do, like image classification and which model you want to use. Okay, so ResNet 50 is from the Microsoft. Okay, so guys, be aware which model you are using and which company provide that model. Very important. Okay, so please explore. Okay, I'm giving you time. Okay, we are going slow. So first you guys need to decide which type of task you want to do. Okay, so based on it, guys, just choose the model like image to text. Click on this. Okay, now click on use this model, click on transformer. Just two line, guys, two lines. So see the importance of pipeline actually. So you can create a pipeline. Okay, so either you can download the model. Okay, download a tokenizer. Okay, so guys, start doing these kind of things. Okay, so we can in the class we can solve one or two questions, but after the class you can spend some time on this type of okay data. Okay, so guys, we are here in the lang chain. Okay, so I just recap quickly. So first, guys, we install the libraries. Okay, and then guys, we set the tokens. Okay, so token ID is same for this HF token and Hugging Face. Okay, these are the tokens you need to set actually. Okay, so guys, start doing. Okay, so here we set. Okay, okay is the tokens. So this is the token secret key which you can print. Now, guys, the main thing is that you don't need to download any model. You can use the APIs like endpoint APIs. Okay, so okay, so guys, first you need to just click on this. Okay, so you are importing, you are calling the model using the endpoint. Okay, so I am writing some comments also for you. Okay, so this is the okay, so you are setting this Hugging Face API token. Okay, now guys, you need to decide what should be in the repo ID. Okay, and what should be the maximum size of the tokens? See, guys, output will always be in the tokens. Okay, so whether you are learning OpenAI, that also charges per token, like 1 million tokens, how much cost? Okay, so everything is, guys, tokens only. Okay, so in a token, guys, one token contains how much characters? Okay, like you can search about that on the Google. Okay, so guys, one token I can write here, okay, is how many words? Okay, so approximately it is saying that 4 characters in English. Okay, so guys, be smart. Okay, 3 to 4 words it is saying. Okay, so you can search here like this, guys. So in OpenAI also you will be facing the same thing. Okay, so like 3 to 4 words in one tokens. Okay, you please read about this OpenAI. Okay, so because one token equal to 4 characters. See, guys, everything is there. Please start reading. Okay, so there are a lot of free okay, okay, where you can read from. Okay, so I'm sharing you all these things in the chat. Kindly go through with these things. One token equal to 4 characters. Okay, so 100 token equal to 75 words. Okay, so one token, guys, equal to 3 to 4 words. Okay. So token can be thought of a piece of words. Okay. Please read about this. Before the API process the request, the input is into tokens. Now you have the idea, guys, about tokens already. Okay. Yeah, these tokens are not cut up exactly where the words start or end. Okay, maybe in one token, guys, some words will come and some partial word can come. Okay, so you have to adjust this number of tokens, guys. Okay, so tokens can include space. Okay, subwords. Okay, so please start reading this. Okay, so this is from OpenAI, guys. Okay, so okay, so people are asking this, sir, how many tokens? Okay, like 30 token means, so they are charging actually. So guys, for every token, you have to pay some money actually. Okay, so that is the thing, guys, and start learning. Okay, so total pricing also you can check here, guys. So anyone interested in pricing, okay? So you can purchase, see, guys, OpenAI key you will be requiring, okay? So guys, you have to invest some $20. Okay, this is the pricing I was telling you about this. So this is the pricing, like $20 you have to spend. Okay, so if you want to use this OpenAI key, now once you spend, guys, you get lot of facility. Okay, okay, so limit access to you can use the models now of OpenAI like GPT. You can use GPT-4. Okay, so this is the model which you can use like your chat GPT only. You can make a chatbot, guys, using OpenAI. Okay, so I can show you many things actually. Okay, so I can show you that OpenAI documentation, guys. Okay, so please have a look open. Why I am saying OpenAI? Because now many companies are looking forward to this technology. Okay, text generation. If you want to generate any text, you can use this code. Okay, so I'm sharing you all these things, guys. Okay, so but guys, without the OpenAI key, you cannot do anything actually. Okay. So you can do text generation, image generation, okay, text to speech. Guys, have a habit of reading from documentation. Okay. Use the code, be smart. But here the twist is that you need the API key. $20 you have to spend. Okay. So guys, if you can do this, you can create a good project. We will show you, but we will be hiding the key because it little bit costly. Okay, little bit cost is involved, and it's a private, guys. So I will recommend you to invest some money in this. Okay, speech to text. Okay, so what is the speech? Okay, so you can upload you can upload guys mp3 file like audio file you want to convert into text. Okay, so everything is there, but there is a price. Okay, so for every token, uh, okay, so you need to reach you need to just add the credits guys. Okay, so you need to add the credits in your API. Okay, so there's a limit. Okay, so there is a rate limit also. Okay, so guys start see this free. Okay, so 100 usage, $100 per month. Okay, so there are different tires, okay, which you can use. Okay, so these are the charges guys. So if you use more, okay, so you will be charged more. Okay, so you have to select a free tire rate limit is also there. So guys, in the OpenAI we have a lot of models like GPT, text embedding. So guys, when you are using Pinecone, like a vector database, in that you need to store your text into the vector database. But guys, we need to convert into vectors. The text should be converted into vectors. So here OpenAI text embedding can be used. So guys, these are the models which you can use. Okay, but guys, you should have the OpenAI key actually. Okay, that is the main thing. $20. Okay, so once you spend, then you can start using. But there is a limit, guys. Okay, so once you cross the limit, you have to recharge actually. Okay, so I will show you once we done this. But this OpenAI guys, you can many companies are start using it. Okay, so you can also try it. Okay. Yeah, yeah, rate limit is there. Like, okay, so guys, have a look on this OpenAI also. Okay, so it is very interesting. Okay, so guys, we were continuing about the lang chain. Just come back to this topic now. Okay, yeah, yeah, good. Okay, so guys, we started with our Hugging Face. We installed the libraries. Okay, so we set the secret key as a token. Okay, so tokens are important. Okay, so which model you want to work with, like Mistral? Okay, this is from the Facebook. Okay, so you can always have the company name, which model comes from which company. Okay, which company developed it. 7 billion is the parameters. Okay, so 7 billion parameters. It is trained on so much of data. Okay, that's why guys, accuracy is high. So you have seen already in fine tuning why the accuracy was high. Okay, because they are already trained on so much data. Okay, so that is the reason. Okay, so play with this maximum length, temperature. You have to play with this all these parameters. Okay, once you create the LLM, you can just invoke it. Okay, so this is the way how you create a LLM, large language model. Okay, so you must have heard about this. Okay, like OpenAI provides also all the LLMs, like GPT's LLM. Okay, so all these guys LLM only, nothing else. Okay, all these models. Okay, so these are the large language models. Okay, so text embedding is LLM. Okay, so Whisper is very famous actually. Okay, uh, okay, so you can do many things from this model Whisper. Okay, mostly people use this for audio to text and all this. Okay, so I can again search for you guys like Whisper. I am why focusing here because you will see this. Okay, when you become data scientist, you will see this model very much frequently used. Okay. Okay, so start reading, guys. There are a lot of things to be read. Okay, so yeah, so it is a speech recognition. Okay, multiple language it supports. It can do multiple tasks. Okay, so it can be used as a transcribe for multiple languages. It can convert from one language to another language. So guys, you have to read actually. Okay, so please start reading it. Okay, and this is the architecture. Okay, so why OpenAI I'm focusing? Because if you know this, then you are always in the demand. Okay. Okay. So start reading these things, guys. Okay. So, okay. Yeah. So start executing the code, guys. Now it's your time to show what you know. Okay. So once you created the LLM, now you call this invoke, okay, and you pass any question, okay. So what is machine learning, okay, and you got the answer, okay. So answer is given by LLM only, okay, and okay, so you don't have to do any processing, okay. So everything is taken care by itself, LLM only, okay. Okay, guys, so what is generative AI? Okay, so you can run this code like this. Okay, yeah. So if you know about more about this, copy the model name, paste it here, guys. So you will get to know everything about this model. Okay, yeah. Okay, so it is a large language model again is instructed fine-tuned. Okay, so it is recommended to use this, okay. So how to install actually this writing here, okay. So you can use this code like this code they have given, okay. The best thing is to click on this transformer, okay. So again it is text generation, okay. So you can use for text generation, okay. See this, it is written, it can be used for text generation, okay. So from here you can recognize what things it can do, okay. So different models for different purpose, you can see from here also, okay. So click on documentation, start reading, guys. So okay, so we have many things like transformers, okay. Okay, so BERT, we have seen the BERT architecture. Okay, so NLP task, many things we can do actually here. Okay, so we have started, we have seen this already. Okay, you can see BERT here. Okay, so BERT you can use. Okay, so guys, start exploring. There are a lot of things actually to be done in this. Okay, so anyone tried, please start executing the code now. Okay, so again, okay, so what is generative AI? So it is giving the answer. Okay, so guys, now we are asking some questions. Okay, so now we can create a question answer system. Okay, so we can give a prompt here and we can get the answer. Okay, so who won the Cricket World Cup in the year 2011? Okay. So we are asking some questions, guys, and now we are creating a chain actually. Okay. So chain dot invoke. So chain will be executed and your result will be here. Okay. So now yeah, it is using LLM only. Okay. So but now we can do the prompting also. Okay, once we create a chatbot, you can see over there also you can prompt any question, they can reply you. Now LangChain is that from where you will get the reply, okay. So are you getting reply from any internal source, any internal file like PDF, Excel, or you are getting reply from the internet, okay. So that is the thing actually, agents, how the LangChain work as a agent, okay. So LangChain help us to build the agents, okay, and they can perform the specific task, okay. Like question answering, RAG, we can ask any question, okay. You can store the data in Pinecone, we will see, and we can ask any question. So similarly, this type of behavior is like that only, okay. So we are asking a question, okay. So we are giving a template here, okay. So okay, so we are creating a chain, okay. So this is the LLM, okay. Again, so chain, guys, chain will be executed and you will get the result, okay. So yeah, any doubt? So I think today's task is easy, okay. Try to complete it. So don't need to download any model, guys. So just use the APIs, and this is the power of Hugging Face endpoints, okay. So you have to specify the model which you want to use in the repo ID. You specify the model, okay, uh, which you want to use, okay. So these endpoints use the serverless API. So you are just calling the API and getting your result, okay. You just need the token, okay. uh, okay, so for the regular user you can say it is uh, if you request again and again, so there is a limit, guys. Okay, so you can use it, but there is a limit. Okay, but if you are learning purpose, it's okay. Okay, so you can go for paid version also. Okay, but for that, both the cases you need this token. Okay, and this Hugging Face, these two things you are required. Okay, these are having the same value. So anyone done? So can I see something in the chat? Anyone done? Guys, please execute this code. Okay. So you have to complete it. Okay. Anyone done with this code? Yeah. So anyone tried, guys? Anyone doing? Okay. So this was the first thing which we have discussed today. Okay. Now, guys, the next thing is the pipeline. Okay, so again, guys, this text generation, text to text summarization, translation. So all these things are possible. Okay, but you have to select the model which you want to use. Okay, yeah, but guys, these models are very heavy. Okay, so we have limited hard disk and RAM. Okay, but these model size is very big. Okay, so that's why we are using the APIs so that we don't have to download these models. Okay, that is the advantage actually. Okay, so models can be loaded directly. Okay, with the ID model ID method. Okay, so giving the model ID, we can just use this models. Okay, we don't have to download it. That is the advantage. Okay, so before this, let's see some theory also about what we have learned today. Okay, so guys, this is the theory of today's lecture. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we will see this email classification also in the BERT maybe next time. Okay, tomorrow. Okay, so we have to then when we started with the today's lecture. Okay, so first of all we install this library. Okay, like LangChain Hugging Face. So it is the integration of both LangChain and Hugging Face. You don't have to worry much now. So you can just install this library. Okay, so guys, this was the first thing. Okay, so once you install this, now what are the advantages it is providing? Okay, so this is the access to pre-trained. Okay, so pre-trained model, you can use it for natural language processing, computer vision. Okay, object detection. We have seen, guys, these things. Okay, so we can do using the Hugging Face pre-trained models. Okay, yeah. Okay, so these are the advantages you got. Now you need to just call the API. Don't have to download. See, the guys, things are written here, eliminating the need of downloading. Okay, so you don't have to download locally on your Google Colab. Okay, you don't have to store on the cloud also. Just call this API. Okay, so RESTful endpoints. Okay, so this is the main guys. This is the main advantage you are getting here. Okay, so just call the API and get your data. Okay, scalable also. Okay, so you don't have to worry about the infrastructure. Okay, infrastructure you don't have to manage. Okay, so it is okay. So it is cloud based, obviously. Okay, so cloud based and can handle high volume of request. This is the main thing, guys. Okay, so it can handle high volume of request. Okay, no need for hardware setup. Okay, so you don't need running the LLMs. Okay, so guys, these LLM models are already built by big companies like Microsoft, Google, Facebook. Okay, so we don't have to build again. Okay, so we don't have to build this LLM again. We have to just use it. Okay, we just have to use it. Okay, so that is the advantage you are getting of using this LLMs. Okay, so we are just using the power of LLM. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so that is the main thing, guys, and we don't have to worry much about the hardware cost. Okay, because these things are already developed by big companies. Okay, so that is the advantages we are seeing today. Okay, time saving, guys, it is time saving. Okay, so quick access and get the inferences. Okay, without setting up the environment, loading model. Don't have to worry much about the data. Okay, it is already trained. Okay, so automatic updates. So see guys, the benefit is now if any update comes in any model, then you don't have to worry, it is automatically updated. Okay, so as you are just calling the API and getting the data, so getting the model, getting the tokens. Okay, so you don't have to worry much. Okay, so that are the advantages of this using this pre-trained models, okay, and the APIs. Okay, yeah. Okay, so Hugging Face APIs can apply across diverse, like you want to create chatbot. We will see tomorrow class how to create chatbot using this APIs. We can create agents, guys. We can divide our work into sub works, sub task, and each task is performed by one agent. Okay, so they complete their task. Okay, so we will see one by one. Don't worry. Semantic analysis. Okay, customer feedback. We will try to create at least one or two projects. Okay, so summarization of articles. Okay, so these things I think you have already solved. Okay, but we can solve again using this APIs. Okay, yeah, we have to keep in mind that we are studying today about the Hugging Face APIs. Okay, yeah. Okay, fine tuning is also interesting. Okay, so please see about all these theories part, cost effective, pay as per you go. Okay, scaled up, scaled down. Okay, so when you think that you are costing so much, you are paying so much, you can cut down the cost. Okay, you can stop using the resource. Okay, so these things are easy, guys. I think you know already. Secure and reliable, it is secure. Okay, so you don't have to worry much about the infrastructure, it is reliable. Okay, yeah. Okay, so guys, these are the advantages why you should use the APIs. Okay, so I hope it was easy for you. So anyone tried, anyone doing anything? So guys, anyone tried it? So I want to see some output from your side also. Okay, so you have to execute all these cells. Okay, yeah, so okay, so start doing it. So today we are seeing the Hugging Face with LangChain. Okay, so we have done all the steps. We show you how to search for the model in the Hugging Face, copy paste this. Okay, read about it, what it does. Okay, so guys, it's not just this thing. Okay, so you can just not the text classification. I've show you audio to text. Okay, so many things are there. Okay, so you have to just carefully see the documentation. Okay, now guys, we will talking about the pipeline. That is the last topic for today. Okay, so again, pipeline helps you. Okay, so if you want to develop like RAG, we will see in the next course. Okay, retrieval argument generation. Okay, so we can ask any question, we can store our data in Pinecone. First you need to convert the text into vectors, then you store in Pinecone. Okay, now you can prompt. Okay, so now your query will be converted again to uh, embedding, then vectors, then similar vectors will be compared and you will get the result. Okay, so many steps are involved in RAG. Agents, told you. So next class maybe we will see this LangChain Hugging Face agents also. Okay, so guys, these models are very heavy actually. That's why we are using this APIs. That is the main criteria for today. Okay, so guys, start executing the code like Hugging Face pipeline. Okay, so GPT-2. Now what this model do? Okay, so let me copy here and paste in this Hugging Face. Okay, so search. I will search for this model. Okay, so now this model is again a text generation. Okay, you can use this model, click on this text generation, guys. Okay, but you can play with other models also. Now you have the idea, guys. Okay, you can search this, you can click on this, use this model, you can click on this transformer, you can copy paste the code. Okay, so please try. Things are there, things are easy. Okay, so guys, we are just okay, importing the Hugging Face pipeline tokenizer. Okay, okay, so how to tokenize the text? so that model can understand easily. Okay, so for with every model a tokenizer comes. Okay, so just execute the code, guys. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so now next thing is the pipeline, guys. So in the pipeline, what task you need to do, which model you need to select, okay, what is the tokenizer and maximum new tokens, okay. So response will be in how much tokens. See, guys, model will accept the input as a token and gives the output also in the form of tokens only, okay. So these things are easy, okay, just execute the cells, okay. So yeah, so it is detected that you are not using GPUs, you are using CPUs, okay? Just run the command, guys. Now you can pass any text, okay? So it will generate the text, okay? So again, you can play with the temperature. I think temperature is not there. So to make it creative, more creative, okay? So it is taking little time, guys, but in machine learning, so machine learning uses a set of techniques. So it is giving the answers, okay? So this is it, guys. So you have to see which model you have to use, okay. Like GPT-2, again it is a text generation, okay. So but you can choose different models also, so I'm giving you just a start, okay. So now you can explore this, okay. Maybe tomorrow we will see more models, okay. But for every model we have the tokenizer. We need to download the tokenized tokens, okay, and also the models, okay. Yeah, okay. So guys, okay, so again, so pipeline is mostly a tool, okay. So LangChain being designed primary, see, LangChain was designed to do RAG agents, like creating multiple agents, okay. So that was the purpose of LangChain actually. But the scope of pipeline here is to reduce the following text centric task, okay. So we don't need to download these models, okay, because they are heavy models. Okay, so we are just loading the model using the model ID. So guys, using this model ID, we can just load the model. We don't have to download it. Okay, so that is the main advantage we are getting. Okay, so okay, so without this also you can do, but then you have to download the model locally. Okay, you can inspect here. Okay, that model is, see guys, no, nothing is you can see here, okay, because nothing is downloaded. All are APIs only. So today's class is on APIs only. How to hit the API, okay, Hugging Face API, okay, yeah, okay. Because if you download now, it will take 1 hour at least, okay, to download these models and use it. So better it is to go with the APIs. Hit the API, get the data, okay, simple. Okay, so once you get the model, once you get the tokenizer, now what task you need to do, like the text generation. Okay, so yeah, so what is the tokenizer, what is the model, now the response in how many tokens. See guys, every token is chargeable. I show you one token equal to 3 to 4 words, okay, in OpenAI, okay. So every call, every token is charging actually. It's like 1 million tokens, okay, per 1 rupee, something like that. So we can see the pricing also, okay. So guys, okay, so when you do this kind of task, be cautious because you are paying it. Okay, so yeah, I know it is very much cheaper. Okay, but still, okay, so do it very carefully because you are paying for every call. Okay, every token you are paying some amount. Okay, we will see in OpenAI. Okay, to $20, guys. Please request your okay parents like they should spend this $20. Okay, because it is important to learn actually. Okay, yeah. Are you listening, guys? So please start doing, start executing. We are giving lot of time to you today. Okay. Yeah, okay. So like invoke, again invoking this model, like we are generating the text. Okay, but you can try different models also, guys. No one stop you. Okay, you can create a pipeline. Okay, so you change the model, do the different tasks. Okay, so we'll show you one or two more. Okay, now again, guys, moving to the next thing. Okay, so So from the ID, now we are using the model ID, passing the model ID. Model ID means the model name actually. Okay. Yeah, so you can just click this cell, okay, you can run it, okay. Yeah, okay. So okay, you can do that thing also. Okay. So now moving to next, like prompting. So guys, you can have a prompt, okay. So this is a chain. Now the result will be, see, lang chain means there is a chain, okay. So when you execute, you get the result. Chain is executed for the result, okay. Like you are trying to prepare some a question answer kind of this thing, like you prompt something, you got the result, okay. So now the result can be from this prompt or GPU LLM. So see guys, we have these two things now. Either the result will be got from this prompt, okay, or from the GPU LLM, okay. So it is using like a LangChain. It is a LangChain means that same thing. Either result will be get from PDF or the result should get from Excel or from internet. We will see. So we have tools, guys. This is tools. Okay, so we can have the tool like calculation. If I write in a chatbot 2 plus 2, so the agent need to decide which tool to be used, okay. So agent need to decide, okay. So there are different tools for different tasks, okay. Like calculation, we can have a different tool, okay. Like summarization, we can have tool. So everything we have different tools, okay. And agent need to decide which tool to be called, okay. Okay, you can say tool is a function also, okay. So we will see, guys, don't worry, we will see in Llama, okay. Llama Index is a framework. So one more interesting thing before going. So guys, many things you have to learn actually to get a good job. Okay, so Llama Index is also a framework, okay, for LLM. So guys, whatever I was talking about, like question answering, RAG, okay, semantic search, all these things can be done using either LangChain or using Llama Index. These both are the frameworks. Okay, so these both are the frameworks for our LLM. Okay, so the problems which LLM can be solved have to use one of the framework. Okay, so I show you this Llama Index, guys. So the see this, guys, Llama Index is free. Okay, so you don't have to charge anything. Okay, so we will see Llama Index in our professional course. Okay, so guys, start exploring. Okay, so what we can do with this Llama Index. Okay. Yeah, yeah, good, good. So, guys, I am in the Llama Index, so I must show you the documentation of this Llama Index. Okay, so for that, I can go to Google. So, whatever I am telling you today is being used in industries. Okay, so codes are free. Okay, so guys, codes are free if you can start using it. Okay, so click on this use case. Okay, so examples like RAG, we have talked so much. Okay, so everything is there, guys. Semantic search, okay, similar search, summarization. Okay, so so you can have a short summary of your answer, okay. So everything we will try to explore, okay. So guys, so Llama Index is a framework for LLM. So you can use these, guys, okay, to create a chatbot, to create agents. Okay, so I love to play with this Llama Index because it is free actually. So guys, I have made lot of projects using this Llama Index. Okay, so I will share you my knowledge. Okay, don't worry. So guys, if you click on the semantic search, now you can, okay, so they provide default data set also. They will provide you a data set if you follow from the beginning this documentation. And from this data set, they're asking some question, they're getting the result. Okay, so semantic search is this. Okay, so similar vectors are searched. Okay, so okay, so and it is returned. Okay, so guys, you have to read, actually start reading, because these things like text to SQL very important. In the job description it is written like how you can do this. Okay, like give me the top 5 people, okay, from our company. So it will convert into SQL query automatically. I will show you, don't worry. So I have done already my homework, you can say. Okay, so from this documentation, nothing else. So if you have the power to read the documentation, you can do the magics. Okay, so these guys, these things are coming in interviews. Okay, so they're asking everywhere. So if you know these kind of things, then you are always in the game. Okay, and these things are codes are available. See, codes are already there. Okay, you just have to start learn. Okay, see who guided me? No one. This is the documentation which I learned and growing. Okay, so that is a thing, guys, which can help you. Okay, so please start reading. Okay, so we will create chatbot, we will create many things. Okay, so coming sessions are very exciting. Okay, so don't worry much. Okay, guys, go through with this kind of things, because I think previously no one told you about these things, but we are here to help you. Okay, so we guide you today how to use OpenAI, why to spend $20. You get this OpenAI key. Now you can create text generation, image generation, because when you do this, uh, you will be charged per token. Okay, so how much tokens? 1 million tokens per 1 rupee. So you can always go for the charges also. You can see exactly what is the charge. Okay, so charges is done on the basis of tokens. Okay, so guys, okay, so in the company you have to work very fast. Okay, so if you want to, if you're thinking to be a software developer or like a OpenAI developer. Okay, so many jobs, AI engineer, okay, data scientist, ML engineer. So all these guys, what they are doing, they are learning from this documentation and doing the coding. So no one is writing from the scratch, to be honest. Okay, so everyone is using this code, but try to understand what is the meaning. Okay, so you are instructing the system that extract the event information. So you are instructing a system that now you are my assistant, and you have to extract the information. Okay, so now you're creating assistant for you. Okay, so we'll see, guys, it is very exciting actually. And now you are testing it for the first time, like Alice and Bob are going to this science fair on Friday. Okay, so it will respond you. Okay, extract the event information. So what is the event, when the event will happen? Okay, so what is the duration of the event? So everything it will extract for you. Okay, and this model will help, this model we used. Okay, we have to decide one of the model. Like OpenAI has many models. Okay, like GPT. Okay, you can see all this in the documentation. Okay, so guys, start using like GPT-4, GPT-4 mini. Okay, so many models are there. See the prices also. Okay, so it is cheaper, guys, it is not very costly. You can see around uh, okay, 1 million tokens. Okay, so like 1000 token, 1000 token is about 750 words. Okay, so okay, some discount is also there. Okay, so you can check this pricing. See, guys, 1 million input tokens, how much they are charging? $1.25. Okay, so I told you the price is not much. Okay, price is not much. Okay, but when you do lot of practice, guide, you need to add some more credits. Okay, credit will be over. Okay, $20 doesn't mean that it is always free. You need to add credits as you go on practicing. But I will recommend that 5 or 6 student interns student can buy one API key. Like $20 can be separated into 7 people. Okay, so they can invest and get a one API key. Okay, so they can hit the API, get the data, get the tokens. So 1 million is huge, guys. It will not be over. Okay, so don't worry about the cost, I think. Okay, so 7 8 people can do the investment in this one API key, OpenAI key. Okay, it will benefit to you all. Okay, take my suggestion, because I will using it, so that's why I am telling you. Okay, yeah. Okay, so you can set the height, width. Okay, so you can play with this now. Okay, so you can play with the pricing. Okay, so how much I should set this kind of things. Okay, but actually, at least start. Actually, guys, if you don't spend $20 now, then your learning is partial. This is my personal experience actually. Okay, so okay, so if you're interested in OpenAI, see guys, if you don't want to invest, you can go with Llama Index. No one stop you. Okay, so everything is there, guys. Start from first topic. Okay, click on this, how to create chatbot. Everything is there. Just the motivation. Install the libraries. Okay, use the OpenAI key. See, guys, I told you, OpenAI is not going anywhere. Okay, so OpenAI key is very important. $20. Spend it, guys. Okay, after spending, you will get a key with start from SK. So okay. So again, guys, now you can build chatbots. So okay, you can do many things actually after getting this OpenAI key. Okay. So start doing this, start reading from this documentation. Okay. Start playing with this unstructured data like images, audio, okay, video. Okay. So it will help you to clear interviews, guys. Now you are just passing out. So if you made one or two project like this, chances are there that you will get a good job. Okay, so goal should be in mind always, what you are doing, why you are doing. Okay, very important. Okay, okay, so yeah. Okay, so start doing, guys, don't waste your time. Okay, so okay, there is something called anthropic also. So if today we are explaining, we should uh, give this thing also to you. Okay, so one thing is OpenAI key. Please buy it, don't delay it, guys. It is very important. Okay, and next thing is Anthropic key. Okay, so yeah, let me write first. Anthropic. Okay, so guys, again, very good investment if you are able to learn from this also. Okay, so what are the use cases, guys? These things are in demand right now, that's why I am helping you. Okay, so again, what problems you can solve with this. Okay, you can create the agents. Okay, so you can create embeddings. Okay, so what the BERT model was doing, creating the embeddings. You can also create, guys, embeddings using OpenAI. Okay, and you can use this Anthropic also. Okay, so it's just about sitting and giving some time to documentation, nothing else. Okay, so it's just a matter of time, where you are spending actually. Okay, so guys, Anthropic, I am sending you the link. These are all the demanding topics, demanding things. If you know, you are always in the game. Okay, so that's why I am focusing you, because I learned all these things in this journey. So I will recommend you also. Okay. Yeah, yeah. So see, guys, if you don't know anything, don't be worried. Okay, just start from the beginning. Okay. Yeah. So you can make a API call. Okay. Again, the same thing. Okay. So okay. So you should have this Anthropic key. Okay. You should have Python. Okay. So you can ask any question. Again, you can create chatbot. Okay, so guys, I don't got much time actually to do this. Okay, but if I get time, I will. I have the key. Don't worry. I have the key. So I will do some homework. Okay, don't worry. Okay. So guys, you should also do with me actually. Okay. So guys, everything is there in documentation. Okay, please be motivated. These things can bring you to a good level. Okay, where you can expect as much as you want. Okay, so that is a way how you can succeed. Okay, so guys, I show you many things today. Okay, yeah. Okay, so these are the use cases, guys. Okay, just see the model, guys. But the Anthropic models is like Cloud 3.5. Okay, Sonnet is, guys. This is a good model. Okay, yeah. Okay, multi-language. So multilingual. So vision. Okay, computer vision task you can do or not. Okay, English to German, German to French. Okay, these things you have to see, guys. Before investing, you have to study little bit which model is designed for which task, how much it is charging per token. Okay, a million tokens per million tokens. Don't forget this million. Okay, so how much they are charging, which is faster. Okay, so what is a window context, how many tokens it can be processed. Okay, so okay, so 150 150,000 words. Okay, so window size is fixed actually, guys, this thing. Okay, so guys, I can show you the path from where you can succeed in life very fast. Okay, but you have to do, see guys, why to use this Claude 3.5 Sonnet, because it provide text and image input. So it takes input as a text or image, it will gives the output as a text. Okay, context window is also written. Okay, so guys, click on it, read more. Okay, so please first you decide which model you have to use. Okay, then start with the use cases. Okay, so I don't get much time, to be very honest, but if I get time I would have been use this very fast. Okay, because we have the capability to read from the documentation. Okay, so we can be little fast here because we have the codes, guys. We know now how to use it. Just copy paste the code, add the API key and run the code. Okay, so tokens. Okay, we will see, don't worry. So I have been the first class, so I'm showing you all these things, guys. Okay, so if you know, you are always in the game, just remember. Okay, yeah. Okay, so guys, start doing. We have lot of things to do. Okay, so I just told you some of the important things for your placements or for your future. Okay, maybe tomorrow I'm not there, so maybe you have to do yourself all these things, so no one is going to tell you. So we are just helping you on this. Okay, yeah, yeah. Good. So guys, start doing this. Okay, so take some time, guys, whatever we have taught you today. Okay, so okay, just see all these things, start reading. Okay, okay. So anyone done with this? Only, so this is, guys, only one code we have done today, one notebook. Okay, so we were very slow today. Okay, so we now we can conclude our discussion. Like, guys, we started why to use this APIs. Okay, so guys, we don't need to download the model. We can just call this API. Okay, and guys, up to some limit it is free. Okay, so you have to generate a token, you have to add the token as a secret key. Okay, so there are two tokens, you have to name them, you have to add the same ID. Okay, same token for same token value for both the tokens. Okay, now start running the code. Okay, why transformer? Because it provides pipeline function. Okay, LangChain and Hugging Face is integrated. Okay, that's why we need to install this. Why LangChain? Very important because it creates agents, agentic framework. Okay, you can create multiple agents. Okay, so you can make. Okay, so we will see, guys. We will see as we proceed. Don't worry much. Okay, there are a lot of things to be coming. Okay, so if you're not able to catch the things, we have to practice a lot actually. Okay, so first we install the library. Just a quick recap what we have done today. So first we install the library, then we okay, we are printing this token. Okay, this is the token secret key. Okay, then we are using now the APIs to call the model. Okay, we don't have to download and store locally because our memory is limited. Okay, so just remember the story, guys. Okay, it is easy. Okay, so just import the Hugging Face endpoints. Okay, setting the environment variable. The same way we will set the OpenAI key also. Okay, in the same way, guys. Okay, so these are the environment variables, and we have to set them before writing any more code. First, you need to set the environment variables. Okay, like OpenAI key, LangChain key. Okay, Anthropic key. So we will see. Don't worry. Okay. Now we decided the model. So every model designed to do a particular task. Like here we are doing the text generation. Okay. We are setting the maximum length of this text, temperature, how creative the model is. So if it is not 0.1 is very less creative, guys. If the value is near to 1, it is more creative. Okay, so that is a secret key last. Okay, so now we invoke our LLM, invoke our large language model that we have created. Okay, so don't forget these things. Okay, so now we can ask a question. Okay, so text generation. So we given some partial text. Okay, so it is generating the complete text. Okay, again working with different versions of this. Okay, models. Okay, now this time model is creative. Okay, so we are setting the output length. Okay, we're giving the model. Okay, it is easy, guys. So okay, so okay, we have used this Dell E for text to image. We will see. Okay, so things are easy, guys. So why to use LangChain? In LangChain, the chain is executed and gives the output. Okay, so that is the main thing in the LangChain. What is a chain? Okay, okay. So answer, obviously the answer is coming from this LLM only. Okay, so this LLM, the like Mistral, that is from Facebook. It is coming from there only. The answer, who won the Cricket World Cup? Who will answer this? This LLM from the Facebook. Okay, so guys, things are easy. Okay, so why to use pipeline? Okay, so we can write pipeline is a function. You can write here the task which you want to do, the model tokenizer. Okay, so using the model ID, you don't need to download the model. Okay, you just write the model ID. Okay, and that's it. This is the call to the API. Okay, and we can use this model. Okay, every model designed to do some specific task. Okay, so I show you again. You can copy it and paste it in Hugging Face. You can search what this model does. Okay, so how to use the transformer models. Okay, transformers. So we have seen, guys, all this. Okay, so guys, this was a nice interaction today. So we have not learned so much, but we have seen many different things which will be coming in the professional course. Okay. So guys, if you okay, so if you little bit spend some money like $20, okay, on the OpenAI key, then it's for your benefit only. It's a one-time investment only, and you need to add the credits. Once the credit is over, you need to add some more credits. Okay, like paying the money and adding the credits. Okay, but credits will not be over soon, guys, because we have a lot of there are a lot of credits given in the starting only. Okay, and you are just practicing. Okay, so guys, I hope it makes a sense, and we have done a lot of things. So in tomorrow's lecture, guys, we can see the agents. Okay, so how to create the agent. Now the agent will decide what type of question you have asked and which tool to use to answer the question. Okay, so either to use mathematical tool. Okay, so which tool we have to use. Okay, guys, tomorrow we will see the other things, okay, in the Hugging Face only. We are not moving anything from the Hugging Face, okay? Like those who are new can write the agents, okay? Yeah, you can search about the agents, okay? So please read before coming tomorrow, okay? So spend some time on this, okay? So if you come prepared, then it is easy for us also. Okay, so guys, start reading. Okay, so it's just not the class that what we have done that's over. Okay, so please have some put some efforts and come prepare. Okay, yeah. Anything else you want to ask? Anyone having any doubt? Anthropic, OpenAI key, both things are important. Okay, if you want to grow in this career, then you will be facing this lot of time, this Anthropic and the OpenAI key. Okay, why to use OpenAI? To create the embeddings. Okay, like converting the text into numbers. Okay, so you need it before you store in the vector database like Pinecone. Okay, so Okay, so OpenAI charges token wise, like 1 million token, that price they will charge. Okay, so you have to add the credit once the credits are over. Okay, you will see the credit in your account once you purchase it. Okay, so I will recommend that 5 6 people can purchase one OpenAI key if you are facing that it is costly. Okay, so plan accordingly. Okay, so we will, because we will be starting that also in the next course. Okay, yeah, so those who are interested can do that. Okay. So guys, we have seen lot of things today. So it was a good interaction with you all. Okay. So start reading, guys. Otherwise, okay. See, if you can do two things. Either you can work hard right now, or you work hard when you enter in the industry. So it is your choice, but you have to learn actually. So it's now your choice. But I think this time is good because no pressure, nothing. Okay, but as the time goes, pressure will increase. Okay, so responsibility will increase. So that will be little challenging for you also. So it is the right time, guys. Okay, so use this time. Okay, very well. Okay, and see the free resources we have. Okay, use them properly. Okay, yeah. Okay. So, okay, guys. So, any other doubt you have? So, we have done for today, I think. Okay. So, yeah. So, anyone wants to ask anything? So, it was a nice interaction. We show you many things today, guys. So, please practice. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.